Hi guys, my name is Alex and welcome back on our Cuba Design YouTube channel. Today we have a rainy day, sorry about that. So we don't choose the weather, but we choose our greatest option is the 6x6 Expedition full set recomplete. As far as you remember, we had the G63 AMG that has been lifted for the portal axles on the 37 inches the rims, the tires, everything is good to go, but we wanted to be prepared for the Polish nearby going off-road show, and that's our best car, best decision to show off. That's a real 6x6 Expedition truck. So what we have here, from our previous videos, you remember that we've installed a lot of tuning parts onto this truck, as long as the carbon fiber extension flares, the off-road snorkels, the hood scoop, everything. But recomplete, for example, fender flares are wider than it should be in the original because it's a real off-road expedition truck, and to avoid any mud coming underneath of the tires here, we decided to widen them as lot as it should be. As for the front bull bar, we decided not to just leave as it is, but to add a great option. That's a winch, that's electric winch. When you will stuck in mud or in swamp, yes, I know this for 6x6 it's quite a big problem to just stuck in mud, but when it happens, you have the electric winch that carries up to 7 or even 8 tons of its weight. So it's 6x6, it's good to go to be stuck in mud. The hood scoop, carbon fiber, the front grille, the headlamps, everything stays as on this car as it should be, as long as our own manufactured logo, the emblem LED illuminated, says Kubai, because it's our logo of our company, Kubai Design. Let's go further on, and I'll show you one great option added also. 4x4 and 6x6 cars equipped with the front LED bar. We decided that those lights are not too much to carry the light through the forest, or I don't know, maybe rocks or rain or snow. So we decided to add extra LED lights onto the existing roof light, and it comes like an intermediate light between the roof rack itself, metallic one, and the roof light. And the main goal, the main point of our car is the metallic roof rack. That makes the upper point of this car. So the height of this car comes 2 meters and 80 centimeters, near so. Also, it includes the 2 red canisters. It could carry the petrol or water, doesn't matter. I'll show you later on how it works and what does it include. Of course, as it's an expedition car, then no one made it before, we decided to make our own badges on it, saying it's one of one expedition. As for interior, sorry, it's a little bit muddy here. We added some equipment like as for CTIS system. That's the interior panel for the CTIS, and the badges inside, saying also it's one of one expedition set. Another option we have here, the electric side steps. As far as you remember, the 4x4 or 6x6 cars have a little bit shorter power steps, just because it's not like completed with the exhaust. We decided to move the exhaust rear backwards to allow the side steps to work properly. Of course, this car stays on the portal axles, on the proper rims and tires 37. And as for the rear, what we have? We also included a badge set saying it's empowered and technology made with the Kubai design, and saying it's 6x6 expedition. A few words about these emblems badges, how it is. They are two component, like original Mercedes or Brabus or AMG does. But the main thing is we can make any color of inner or outer like material. It's metallic, the metal plates and the carbon fiber insertions. So looks very nice. As for rear part, one moment, just because an expedition, we have a very heavy rear door. It's empowered and manufactured exactly for hard off-road. What we have, the tire laying this, and it's not just laying this, but it has been locked with the special brackets inside, underneath. The leather, the 3 canisters for petrol, because as far as you remember, this car is very heavy and likes to eat the petrol with the canisters, like 40 liters per 100 kilometers. It's also been equipped with the special access. Maybe you want to like ruin some forest and to have a nice flame near your car, so it's a great helpful thing here. And as for the roof rack, I'll insert a special video here. After I show you the metallic roof rack, a few words about how it's been manufactured. It's been manufactured saying this, Kubai design. It's a metallic plate just to show off and not to mismatch with maybe other manufacturers. And how it's being done. It's not just a regular, usual roof rack. It's been specially manufactured for 6x6 expedition. What does it mean? It means that it's useful for a special tent assembled onto this roof rack in this way that when maybe 2 people come in, the car itself is still useful on the road, and like it's very cool to stay onto the mud, swamp, rock, or maybe, I don't know, sand, everything else. So whatever surface underneath the car is, it doesn't matter, because with the special enforced and empowered suspension, you can use this tent in any purpose. And of course, was the 6x6 without a CTIS inflation system? We have added this option here, so you can see the special reservoirs here, and it's work from interior. I show later on how it's been worked, and we enforced this system, so it works when like a bunch of people are inside and outside of this car. So please stay on our YouTube Kubai Design channel and watch our latest and further videos, because our team tries to implement the newest technologies. And as nowadays, as far as time passes by, it's not just being interested in like only lifting cars or adding some extra carbon fiber on it. We decided to empower the car itself how it should be. In original, it comes the 6x6 AMG, and we decided to make it the tough off-road. Further on, I'll show you the video on how we add an extra cabin onto this car, like it should be the house on the wheels. So, for example, if you are our happy customer and want to buy this car or make a same one, we can sell this kit to you or remanufacture by your requirements to make it a tough off-road or maybe to paint this car into pink color. Doesn't matter, because our Kubai Design team tries to make the best. Put your likes, subscribe right under these contacts below. Thank you guys.